is it? You sassy.
Hola beautiful people, it's me, Penny Queen, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be about this hair here. Yes, I installed some pre-looped passion twist hair on my locks. Y'all probably like, wait, didn't you just have locks? No, I didn't take my locks out. I do still have locks. What I did was cornrow my hair as if I had loose hair, and I put the twist on top of my locks, and this is what I came up with. Yes, I'm feeling this new style with locks, with micro locks. It's so versatile that you can do practically anything. And I decided to put some crochets on top of my locks. As I mentioned before, I told you I was going to be testing the waters with a few different hairstyles, and this is one. All I can say is get into it. Know me. Know the girl. This is the back. If you want to see how I achieve this look by putting these twists on top of my locks, just keep watching. Alright, let's just jump right into the company that I'm working with. I'm working with a company called Feyasu. I'm going to put it here. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. Feyasu. The description that it gives is bomb twist hair, crochet twist, 7 packs, spring twist hair, pre-loop, crochet braid, synthetic hair, passion twist, braiding hair for women, 14 inches in the color T1B burgundy. That is what I received. I did some passion twists a while ago on my natural curly hair, and now I have my micro locks, and I was like, hey, why not give it another try? I loved my passion twist, and I know I'm gonna love these passion twists. I also love that this should go by super fast because it's already twisted and it's pre-looped. Like, it gets no easier than that. So let's just jump right into what they sent. So in the description, it states that it gives you 7 bags. So this is the hair. It all comes individually wrapped. They also throw in a latch hook, which is awesome. This is what you'll be using to latch hook your hair. You can never have too many of these. So I'm glad that they sent this. So this is how the hair come, individually wrapped, like I said, and you get 7 packs. I'm not quite sure how many packs it will take to do my whole head, but I'll let you know later on in the video. So this is the hair straight out the pack. It's actually really nice. This is how you want your passion twist to come out versus what your passion twist actually come out as. These are the thin ones. These aren't the jumbo passion twist, as you can see. They also come with the perfect curl at the end, and as I mentioned, the color that I got was a 1B burgundy. Now the hair does look more burgundy than anything. I'm not really getting a lot of 1B. I guess the darkness makes it 1B. And on this ring, you get a total of 20 pre-looped crochet passion twists. So on each one of these loops, you get 20. So 20 times 7 is 210. So you have 210 of these. Wait, am I doing my math right? You got 20 times 7. 7 times 2, 7, 14. So yeah. 20 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 140. Oh my God. Please take me back to school. Jesus, I cannot. So you get 140 total of these. Hopefully it doesn't take 140 of these to complete my whole head. I do have a small head, but we will see. They are really springy. Like, look how springy they are. I do like that. Alright, so let's see how we're going to install them. I've never worked with pre-looped hair. I always had to loop them myself. I took it off the wire. Hopefully they all don't like become hard to install, because so this is the loop. It's not really much of a loop. It looks like the hair is really just twisted together. So I guess you really have to make your own loop. There's really no loop. So you have to untwist the top, it looks like. And then there's your loop. I just hope when you put it back together, you know, I hope when you actually crochet it in that the top of it that you untwist will easily twist back and not cause any loops. I did notice that I took it and I did like this to it, and it kind of messed it up. So if you purchase this hair, just install it. Don't try to pull them too much because it looks like you will undo it. I'm not sure what just happened with this, but this is, it has come undone. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the good one. And then this is the bad one. Look at them side by side. You see this one has the ends poking out and the twist isn't the same. It's kind of different. So do not take this and stretch it all the way out to make it flat, because you will mess it up. Alright? I'm glad I learned that now. Alright, what I'm going to do is install some in the back, and then I'll be right back and show you how I installed them in the front. Alright? The braid pattern that I'm using is 10 across the front and 5 in the back. As you can see, I have 10 little cornrows going across the front, and I have combined them in the back to give me 5 braids. Now, this is the same braid pattern that I used when my hair was curly, not locked. So I implemented the same braid pattern to give me the same effect. Again, I have 5 braids in the back, and I just braided them. I connected them across the back here. Nothing fancy. And then this is the front. Look how the cornrows are. It almost looks like my hair is not even locked, for real. Like, look at it. This looks really good. That's how you know that grid is on fleek. Do you see the parts? Like, you can't beat that. These parts is legit, okay? When I did my grid, I did that. I really did that. But that's not about the grid today. It's about these crochets I'm going to install. Hopefully these look, some of these spaces that normally when my hair is loose, I can just squeeze them together. I can't really squeeze them together with the locks because they're already kind of tight. It will make it even tighter, and I'm not trying to lose any locks, trying to be cute, okay? So I'm going to finish installing half of these and then I'll be back. All right, as you can see, I have installed all the back. Everything is installed. I'm going to turn around for you. This is the back. I got some long pieces down here. I think I'm going to cut those so they're not that long. But overall, so far, I am loving this style. It's really flat for me to have my locks underneath of here. I'm really enjoying that. I've installed, as I mentioned, there were 7 packs. I installed 5 packs. I have 2 packs left. I do know these 2 little rows is not going to take 2 packs. So I'm going to fill up these 2 rows, and then I think I'm going to see what I can fill in the back to make it more full. Okay, so again, this is the ring that the hair comes on. There's 20 strands per ring. So to install it, it has this little loop here. You have to untwist it a little bit. You have to try to get in the middle with no flyaway hairs, which is kind of hard. You just try to have to get in the middle as much as you can. So you have it and you have this loop. You take your latch hook. You put your latch hook through. You attach it. Close the hook. Pull it through. Now this is the part where you want to pay attention. So you have to make it wide and then pull it through. Make sure that the hair isn't rubbing up against the loop because it will stretch the hair out. I'm going to show you again. Undo the loop. Take your latch hook while it's open. Put it through. Put your hair on the crochet. Close the hook. Slide it through. Hook out. Okay, so not like with regular hair, you would take it and you'll just slide it through like this, and then it's beeping. See how it's pulling? You don't want it. You don't want the hair to do that because it will mess up the pattern. See, you do not want to pull it like that. You want to make the loop big and then slide it through without the hair that's going through touching the ring. If that makes any sense. Hopefully it does. Now for the front of my hair with my locks, I do have a lot more twist in the front than I do the back. Because I'm trying to fill in the spaces. I don't want to see any black. In the back, it's okay if you have gaps because you've reached the end of this video, and as you can see, my hair is slayed for the gods. Okay, the color is amazing, the hairstyle is amazing, the install was super easy. It didn't take that much time to install. I installed a total of 6 packs. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I had 7 packs, so I have 1 pack left of this hair. But overall, I'm excited about this hair. I'm excited for the style. It's very lightweight, movable. You can style it however you like. And the passion twist look is definitely spot on. The only con that I have with the hair is that you can't like pull the hair. Like, you have to make sure it stay in its state because it's very fragile. Because, let me see if I can find you one. This one right here, so what happened was, like, when I put it through the loop, I kind of like slid it through the loop like this. I just slid it through like this. And what happens is it stretches the whole twist out, which then the bottom of the hair becomes like this, which this isn't twisted. It's literally just curled hair, a piece of passion twist. So I'm not sure is it supposed to do like that. But gonna put it side by side to one so you can see the difference. So this is one that is not stretched out, and this is one that is stretched out. So not only does it become frizzy, it also becomes not a twist, because this is still a twist. That's why it's not frizzy, it's still intact. This is no longer twisted. So that I don't like, because you have a loop and you have to slide the hair through the loop. So sometimes the hair gets stuck and it goes, you know, it touches the loop. So when it touches the loop, it's kind of messing up the hair. That I did not really like. So you just have to make sure, like I mentioned, when you make the loop, make it wide enough that it goes through without touching the loop. So and when you do that, then you wouldn't have any problems. All right. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. So now it's time to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment below. See you in the next one.